Grade 6, Subject Science, Chapter 10, Motion and Measurement of Distances, Module 2. Here in this session, you will be able to define measurement and unit, aware about the precautions to be taken while measuring length using a meter scale, and also understand how to measure the length of a curved line. Let's move. In our last class, we studied about measurements, isn't it? We need measurement in every aspect of our life. Measurement of length, measurement of temperature, measurement of mass, measurement of volume, etc. And also we use different tools for measuring different things. For example, weighing, balance, meter scale, compass, thermometer, etc. So, how can we define the measurement? Measurement means comparing an unknown quantity with a known quantity. That is measurement. Comparing an unknown quantity with a known quantity. Units of measurement. In our last class, we studied about measurement in ancient times, which were the units they were using, and also standard units of measurement. Nowadays also we use different units of measurement. For example, for measuring length we use meter, foot, inch. For mass, kilogram, pound. For time, second, minute, hour. For temperature, Fahrenheit, Kelvin, etc. And the result of a measurement is expressed in two parts. One part is a number and the other part is the unit of measurement. For example, I am measuring the length of the line given here using meter scale. Then what is the measurement? Yes, 5 centimeter. Here 5 is the number part and centimeter is the unit part. You are correct. So, centimeter is the unit we used here. And we know 10 millimeter will make 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter will make 1 meter, and 1000 meter will make 1 kilometer. Look at the chart. Millimeter is the lowest one. We use millimeter to measure the length of our nail, centimeter to measure the length of pencil, meters to measure the length of table, kilometers to measure the length of roads. So the highest one is kilometer and the lowest one is millimeter. And which is the SI unit of length? Yes, you should remember SI unit of length is meter. Now let's move to the correct measurement of length. Precautions to be taken while measuring length using a meter scale. Mainly 3 points you want to remember. First one, place the scale in contact with the object along its length as shown in figure A. Figure B is incorrect because it is slanting. Second one, if you are not able to see the zero mark clearly, you can use any other full mark of the scale. In some scales, the ends may be broken. You may not be able to see the zero mark clearly. For example, figure B. In such cases, you should avoid taking measurements from the zero mark of the scale. You can use any other full mark of the scale, say 1 centimeter. Then you must subtract the reading of this mark from the reading at the other end. For example, the reading at one end is 1 centimeter and at the other end is 14.3 centimeter. Therefore, length of the object is 14.3 minus 1 centimeter, that is 13.3 centimeter. And third one, correct position of eye is also important for taking measurement. Your eye must be exactly in front of the point where the measurement is to be taken. In this figure given, which boy is in the correct position? Yes, B. You are right. So that's all about the correct measurement of length. Now let us see how can we measure or the measurement of curved line. We can use a thread to measure the length of a curved line. After measuring the curved line, then you can put the thread over a meter scale and find out how much measurement it is. It's very simple. That's all for today. So dear children, remember about the precautions to be taken while measuring the length, and also unit of measurement of length, or SI unit of measurement of length is meter. The follow-up activity for today is think of some objects you have seen recently. List out them into two columns, objects in rest and also objects in motion. The same column is given there in page number 102 in your textbook, table 10.4. If you have textbook, fill it there. That's all for today. Thank you.